you need to separate the egg white from the egg yolk, and you need to burn your forearm in whisking the egg white until it's foamy and kind of sticky. So after the heavy whisking of the egg white, you need to mix in the egg yolk and then do another whisking until you get a consistency balance of the color between the white and the yellow, the yellowness of the egg yolk. Alright, so you may add in a cheese of your choosing. It may either be a Parmesan or a cheddar cheese or whatever cheese that you prefer. Do your final whisking here before you put the egg mixture into the pan. Okay, add in a 1 tablespoon of butter into your skillet or pan, and then wait until it dissolves and becomes foamy. Pour in the egg mixture into your non-stick pan or skillet. You may use a wooden spatula here or a plastic spoon fork. Add in a pinch of salt or an equivalent of 1/4 teaspoon of it. Add the ground pepper, 1/4 teaspoon as well. And then 1/4 of a teaspoon of what do you call this? Chili powder or any chili in powder form. Okay, so check the edges and make sure it doesn't stick to the pan. And then from here, you may add in additional cheese on the top. Just grate it all there on the top. The more cheese, the better tasting your omelette will be. That is a proven fact. Yeah. So for a bit of a background of the soufflé egg omelette, from Google it says that it came from French verb souffler, meaning to breathe in, to blow, to inflate, or to puff. It's a very fancy word, but it's a very easy dish to make. Cover the omelette with a lid or a cover for the top to cook. Cover the egg until the top is cooked and until you get this consistency and fluffiness. As you can see here, it's actually ready to be served. Look at this beauty over here, right? So I would really recommend for everyone to try this dish out, because number one, it's very easy to make. Well, actually it's not that easy because you would have to burn out your forearm whisking for the egg white. But aside from that, it's a very delicious meal. It would go along very well alongside with your favorite dish or your favorite partner dish or side dish. And number one, this is not the usual omelette that we do, and it's sometimes better to do something that is different from what we are accustomed to. So yeah, try this one out.